Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton and I'm here amongst the shelves of the warehouse taking a look to see what's available for your classic Norton motorcycle this week. So let's take a look and see what I've managed to find. Okay, first up this week is part number 132164. That's the Gearbox outer cover screw kit with the hex socket heads, and it comes with a key as well, and that costs £7.14 including VAT. We've got the clutch Diaphragm spring, which is part number 060770, that's £57.54 including VAT. And we've got the braided main harness for the Atlas and the 650, that's part number 068061, that's £113.34 including VAT. The workshop manual for the Commando 750s and 850s between 1970 and 1974, part number 065146 is back in stock and that's £34.95. And finally for the Commando 850, that's the clutch bonded metal friction plate set from Barnett, part number 131924 is £140.75 including VAT. And if there's anything I've not mentioned this week but you'd like to know if it's available right now, you can check out the Andover Norton website. It's linked in the section below. Just go click on that, it'll take you straight to the website. And you can also set yourself a reminder through on the website as well, where you'll get an email sent to you whenever an item's available for you to buy yet again. Right, until next time, thanks ever so much for watching this week and safe riding.